I had a busy weekend. Well, not really busy. I got some stuff done on the car, but since my GoPro really has been broken, or it might be the SD card. Honestly, let me get under here for a minute. Well, I'm gonna get a haircut, guys. You want to see me vlog? Go to the barber. I will. Whoa, it's real dark. Okay, there we go. Perfect. So I did some stuff to the car. Let me switch cameras. Did it not switch cameras? Okay, give me a second. Alright, we are back because it's back. So the car is in a different spot. My dad moved it because he needed my spot. It's the motor's spot, I guess, because he's doing his swap now. He doesn't record, so he'll be doing his swap. Old school carbureted big block Chevy to old school carbureted from big block Chevy 454 RV motor going into out of a 350. I should know. I helped him put it in a long time ago. He's a teenager back then, so the motor's probably seen its share of a time. So he's doing his swap. I got everything basically kind of wired up. It's like a few wires here and there that I gotta plug in. These guys and stuff like that. Figure out a few more wires. I ended up getting that plugged in. I didn't think it would. It's really ugly. The injectors are even in though. If you look, they're not wired, but they're in. I need to get studs. This is literally wiggly. I just hold it down by this. You can put this and then bolt it to there, and that's where the factory wired aluminum bolts anyway. Goes over the intake on these ones. On the Accord it went, I don't know, somebody had it under. It was weird. I don't know. That's the injector harness, I mean. So, I did call. Hopefully I get a call back on the title. Yes, you know, guys, they forgot. They forgot about me. So anyway, called for the title, and hopefully we get that done here in a few weeks. See what that happens. I hope they call me. I'm going to call them back here in a few days. I called them last Friday, so I'll call them. Today's Tuesday, so I'll call them Thursday. Make sure. Let's see. Okay. We now resume your Honda H22 programming. So, I'm planning, because I get paid on Thursday. Thursday's like a very important day for me, I guess. I get paid, so planning on going to the junkyard on Sunday, which is 5 days from now, basically. And I'm hoping, there's been a few good cars coming in. Hopefully the H22, there's two H22 Preludes. So a base model 97 and another one. So hopefully I can, God, I'm giving away my parts. God, I need the half shaft. I just need to get that. Want to get EK clutch prop valve if they're 40/40. If not, I can probably just move that down. Let's see. What else do I need? I might try and get another clutch reservoir here because, this guy kind of sucks. It's not bolted anywhere. Oh my gosh, get out of the way. This guy's not bolted anywhere, and I kind of need bolted somewhere. Don't know where though. Figure that out. I need a new little cylinder here. I'm probably gonna see if the K-tune one fits. I don't know, just because the other one would wiggle back and forth. I think my pilot bearing goes bad, but when I took it off, the slave cylinder or whatever fell apart. The little thing fell out, and it was like dead. I didn't even nothing. It just fell apart. So I'll probably get a new one from K-tuned if they fit. I don't know. Research. Look up the parts and numbers. Okay. Need a new throttle cable because the one I have doesn't fit. So I'm just gonna get rid of it and get one from an Accord. You know, always trust the Accords, dude. Or Prelude, or one of those Ludes. I don't know. I need to get some stuff for the inside of the car, but realistically, I need to extend this guy about all of like, yeah. Oh wow, it made it today, but that looks completely ghetto and ugly. It's gonna be completely ghetto and ugly anyway. But anyway, just need to get that over there. I might be able to move this over a little bit. Who knows? That might be worth it, moving it over. Which just means moving that bolt to that spot and then YOLOing that one with none. Let's see. I don't even know where I'm going to put the battery yet. It's like a mess still. This whole area has to get fixed to get this whole area over here has to get fixed. Yeah. Oh, speed sensors hooked up, but this guy, I don't know where this goes on this GSR harness, or if the GSR even has that, because the only wires that even match are this. So need some help with that, guys. I'll cut this video up. Other than that, just need some bolts for the T-bracket. I need some a stud. I got the stud. I need the nuts to the, or the bolts, whatever, the nuts to the exhaust. I need the nuts to the intake manifold, and then I need to go in the car, put this guy all the way up, and then I need to run this around here to there. I need to get this line to the slave cylinder, or not the slave cylinder, the prop valve. Let's see what else. I need studs for this guy, because this guy's not bolted. It's sturdy, but it won't last forever. I need this. Probably gonna run the stock fuel system for now. See what else. Oh, I need to get new battery ground. And then, what else? What else do I need? I don't know what else I need, guys. Oh. I don't know what else I need. I think that's it for this here. I literally think that's it. Oh, resistor box. Redo the wiring on that probably. Maybe. I don't know. It's fine. Should work fine. Yeah, this is ugly. It's real ugly, guys. This is like straight up hood. But was never meant to be super pretty, because your first swap isn't always. I just started doing it, and then sometimes you realize you get all crazy with things. But anyway, wiring is pretty much done. A few wires have to be extended. I need a few sensors too. So I need this guy, but I need to get that screw out. So I got to take this whole thing apart, and then I need this guy here, or I just depin them and put the pins on here. It's kind of how you do those things. Ghetto is all hell. So from there, it's just battery, a radiator. Yeah, a battery and a radiator after that, and check the fuel pump. Probably put a fuel pump in there, and it'll start. I need a pump to fire these injectors though, because I want a 450, or probably just go with the 450. They're kind of cheap, and I don't have the money for the 400 yet. But we'll get a 450 for now. Sell the 450 when I want to make real power and go with the inline fuel cell or something. I don't know. Something fancy. One day, next year, a year from now, the YouTube channel ever takes off. Anyway, that'll do it for me. I am debating, guys. Should I? Since in moving the car, my dad kind of bent some of the stuff, and I really was debating on cutting it anyway. Should I cut some of the stuff out and just maybe cut this out, and then just since it doesn't have a crash bar at all, it never came with a crash bar, Should I just cut this out here and like go get some flat stock or something from like Home Depot, and my brother can weld? We'll do the tackiest, ugliest welds, but so we can put the whatchamacallit? What is that? The intercooler. Because I don't know, guys. Anyway, I gotta get going. I'll chop this up later and see you guys in a little bit.